Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I will show you how to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to a hard drive or any USB drive. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. For this tutorial, I'll be using iPhone 16 Pro and external hard drive. I'll be using SanDisk Type-C USB drive, but the process is same for any external storage device. Like in my case, it's iPhone 16 Pro with a USB-C port. And your hard drive uses USB-A, then you will need a USB-C to USB-A adapter. It's very cheap. I have added the link in the description if you want to buy. In my case, I simply connected my USB Type-C pendrive to iPhone. After that, open the Photos app. Tap Select in the top right. Choose the photos or videos you want to transfer. Now tap Share icon available on the bottom left corner. Scroll down and tap Save to Files. On the next screen, press the back button in the top left to go to the Browse page. Under Location, tap on your hard drive. Mine is called Unlisted. Navigate to the folder where you want to save the files. It could be anything. Tap Save in the top right corner. Now just wait a moment for the files to copy. That's it. Your photos and videos are now transferred to your hard drive. That's all for this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.